Hi everyone, this is a tutorial video on how to publish your Google Sites website so that other people can see it. You're going to need to do this before you submit your website link for grading on your Ziggurat project. So I'm going to show you how to publish the site and to find the link that you will need to submit the assignment. Here I have our home page of our Mesopotamia Google site. You have probably built that out. It really doesn't matter what it looks like because I will be grading the Ziggurat page. So your Ziggurat page should have your name somewhere on there. So maybe I want to insert a text box just so that it's easier for me to see when I grade. So I'm just going to put by, let's say that. You can make it however you like, just so it's on the top somewhere. So you have everything that shows me. Yours probably looks way better than mine, but I can see that you have all the things that I need to do your rubric. Once you're ready to publish your site, now you can do this at any time. You're going to go up to this purple button that says publish. Push it, and it's going to give you a web address name, and it should have your name and then maybe say Mesopotamia. So I have 3 of these. So I put regular 1 on 1, 2, and 3 on 1. But it's probably whatever you named it in the corner will come up here, and that's totally fine. You need to go down here to manage who can view my site. And you're going to go to manage. And before you push done, because you're not going to share it with anybody, you should have already shared it with me, and that's fine. You're going to go down here where it says link, and you're going to change. So hit change, because right now only people in Orange Unified can view it. Well, we want your parents and everybody else to view it too. So we're going to go down here where it says publish site Orange Unified School District, and you're going to go to the drop down here and you're going to go to public. Okay, that means everybody's going to be able to see it so that moms and dads can see it too from their phone and stuff. And then now that you have it all set for public, you're going to push done. And then who can view my site? Anyone. Okay. And if you ever want to change that, you can go to manage and you get that same drop down. Okay. You want to make sure. So if somebody can't see your site, you're going to be like, Ms. Bregder, my mom can't see my site. Why? And then I'm going to say, because you didn't set it to public. All right. So it's already published here. You can click publish. And it is publishing it. So it's putting it out into the world, into the internet. And now you have your link. So your link is up here. See this little, looks like a little paper clippy thing? If you click on that, here's your link. And if you give anyone that link, they should be able to see your site. They won't be able to change it, comment, or anything. All they can do is see it. Now, I like to publish mine and just have it live all the time, even when I'm working on it. Because until I give someone that link, nobody's really going to be able to find it. So let's say I make a change. Maybe I insert another text box and I want to write about my Ziggurat. And I say, oh, my Ziggurat is great. My Ziggurat has a river and people, something like that, whatever. So if you make a change, and you want it to show up on your live website, you publish again. So every time you are finished and you made all your changes, you push publish again and it says, this is the old way, or this is the old one and this is the new one. Do you want to publish that? And you say, yeah, I want to publish that. Publish right over it. It's kind of like your save button. Of course, it always saves in your Google Drive, but now it makes it live. And that's how I changed your guys' TAF 6th grade website, the same way. All right, so when you're ready to submit your assignment, I'm going to make a Google form and you're going to put the link in it, your name, and you're going to put this link. So you'll copy that link and put it into your Google form. And if you want your parents to see your Google site, maybe you want to test it out, go ahead and copy that, email that to them, or text message to them and see if they can access it. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please come see me at office hours and we will work through it. Bye.